this lecture, let us discuss about metrics for software quality. These are essential for evaluating various aspects of software product, ensuring it meets user needs and operates reliably. So let us see the metrics for measuring the quality. Some of the important metrics for software quality are correctness, maintainability, integrity, and usability. So what is meant by this correctness? This metric is used to measure the density of the defects. So it measures number of defects per unit of software. Say if there are lower, if the defect density is lower, it indicates higher correctness. And also it assesses the percentage of requirements that are correctly implemented and verified through testing. Say high fulfillment indicates that the software behaves as expected. And the common measure for correctness is defects per KLOC. So total number of defects present in lines of code. Second one is maintainability. It is the ease with which a program can be corrected if an error is encountered. Say if an error is found, then how soon or how fast we are able to correct the error in the program, and how well it is adapted if the environment changes, or how well it is enhanced if the customer desires changes in the requirement. So it tracks the number of changes requested or made over time. A high frequency can indicate need for better design or code structure. Then integrity, it assesses the accuracy and consistency of data within the software. This can be measured through error rates in data processing or validation checks. So this attribute measures system ability to withstand attacks, to its security, and here the attack can be made in any one of the component like program data or documentation. Next is usability. So it refers to ease with which the users can interact with the software application. So users, they should not face any problem while using the software, right? So they should be able to interact with the software application easily, and it encompasses a variety of factors which contribute to overall user experience, making it crucial for the success of the software product. And user satisfaction score, it can be collected through surveys. So user satisfaction score is a metric which reflects users overall satisfaction with the software interface and experience. Higher the score indicates better usability. Then second one is defect removal efficiency, which is represented with DRE. It's again an important metric to evaluate effectiveness of the software development and testing testing process. So it quantifies how effectively defects are identified and removed before the software is released. So it helps assess how well a team identifies and addresses defects before they reach the production. So thus, so if the defects are detected early, then it won't show any negative impact on the software quality as well as user interaction or user satisfaction also. And this DRE can be calculated by using the formula defects removed by defects found plus defects removed into 100%. So here we can consider this defects removed as total number of defects identified and fixed during the development and testing phases, whereas total number of defects found or remaining, they can be considered as the number of defects that were not identified and remain in the software at the time of release. So simply we can say that the defects which are identified and fixed during the development process are the defects removed, and the defects which are discovered after the release, they are nothing but the defects found or defects which were not identified during the development phase. And how to interpret this DRE? Say if the DRE value is high, it indicates that most defects were identified and corrected before release, reflecting robust testing and quality assurance process. Whereas if this DRE value is low, it suggests that many defects were not detected or many defects went undetected or unaddressed, which can lead to poorer user experience and higher cost associated with post-release defect resolution. This defect removal efficiency is important for quality assurance as it provides insights into the effectiveness of testing practices and helps identify areas for improvement in quality assurance process. Also, It helps in cost management as understanding DRE can help organizations manage cost associated with defect fixing, as it is typically cheaper to fix defects during the development phase than after release.